Welcome today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So let's just first open the settings, the Gmail application, and now we can see here that we are logged into Gmail account in our Gmail app. If you wanna log out from this Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. To do that, click here to manage accounts on this device, select your Google account and tap on the right upper corner, then click here to remove account and tap here remove account again. Now just click here to OK. So I should verify that it's me. And now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only we just have now here logged in Gmail accounts, and let's go back here to the application, and now we can see that we just successfully log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.